kids are finding.
Oh, he found the pumpkin.
Aaron and Alexis are looking for their pumpkin. You found a pumpkin, Aaron? What is that? What color is that?
Orange.
Oh, it's an orange pumpkin. Let's see if Alexis found a pumpkin.
Aaron, let me get a picture. Okay, let me get a picture. Hold it up.
Alexis, what'd you find?
Do you want to
Oh boy, let me see. Show it to the camera.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
This one?
We found the pumpkin.
Do you want the little one or you want the big one? Okay, so put the little one down. Take a bigger one. You got tons of those little ones. All right, let me see, Aaron. Aaron.
Oh, Alexis just dropped her pumpkin.
There you go. Hey, look at mommy. Wait. Look at mommy again. Don't, no.
Oh, cute. Ariel.
Yeah, I'll take it off. Yeah, let me take your sticker off, okay?
She keeps dropping her pumpkin.
There you go. Now you can hold it. Oops. I know. You got to hold it.
Aaron, you're looking mighty cute today. Are you hungry? Like, whatever.
Oh, take one with me. Here, take this. Hold it.
Oh, yeah.
Press this button.